The problem is that very, 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 very few labs, as a matter of fact, I don't think I've seen one, I've heard of one, where they actually put the measured mean and SD on the QC chart. So these are 33 study labs that we studied recently, 16 from the year 2000, 17 from 2012 to 2014, 545 QC samples, 12 analytes, and most people are assigning their standard deviations at double the actual. And it hasn't changed in 15 years. This is a study I did back in the year 2000. The problem is, and the problem that's not being addressed, is how people are actually doing QC. It's QC in practice, not QC in theory. If you choose the QC rule, so as the analytical process becomes better, as the analytical quality process becomes better, as the current risk becomes lower, then the average number of runs to reject to the first QC flag after we simulated that clinical failure, there is a very clear relationship. As margin for error becomes lower, as the risk becomes lower, the number of runs to reject becomes lower if you choose the right QC. But this is what people are doing now. This is that same study that we presented at the AACC poster. Most labs, a lot of this, a huge proportion of the data I look at will never flag a clinically significant failure, and there is absolutely no relationship in the QC practice between the analytical process quality and the QC process effectiveness.